Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we've got this 14 gauge heavy duty copper wire for your trailer, RV, boat, or camper.
This was sent to me as a gift to check out and share with you.
This is the real deal, guys. This is heavy duty. You've got all copper wiring. It has 7 different colors so that you can make sure that you're hooking everything up to the right connections. It comes in various feet, so the 30-foot one. So you can definitely feel the difference on this. It is really it's got some good weight to it. Copper is such a fabulous conductor. The 7 different colors allow for flexibility. If you're not sure what to do, the listing definitely has some great guidelines on the best ways to hook up use the different coloring system to make sure you're getting all the connections correctly. It has a nice PVC sheath for durability. So it's going to keep your wires nice and dry and is nice and flexible. And all the copper wire is multi-strand as well. So whether you're hooking up your RV or your boat or your trailer for a weekend getaway or just for everyday use, this is a great one. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.